Now, many of you would be seasoned gift givers, seasoned gift purchasers, and you would know very well that there is no point buying a gift for a child unless you know how old they are. I've made that mistake before. It doesn't work out well. Now, it's exactly the same when it comes to working in a community. So this component of the course is about understanding your community. Now, some of you are thinking, I've been working here for 40 years. You don't need to tell me. I'm not telling you. I'm just saying this is a process to start to get your head around the nature and the complexities of your community. Because even within a community, there are areas of that community that you don't see, that you don't notice, or maybe even that you see and notice, but you don't pay any attention to. So there are two main things that we're looking for in this module. And the first one might surprise you a little bit. The first one that we're looking for is the fuel for a world-changing movement coming from this project. Okay? We're actually looking for a place, somewhere to situate this project. Because the reality is a project doesn't run itself. Okay, so there's no point saying to a community, oh, we're going to run an arts group if you haven't got someone who's passionate about running an arts group. Or if you haven't got interest in arts in the community, or if you haven't got these other things going on. So we're actually looking for a location to sit this project. Okay, so the drivers of the project, we need to establish that. And understanding the community will help you to realize the opportunities that exist in your project. And obviously the second one is we need to develop a richer understanding of who the project is for. Okay, so it might be all well and good. You might go, oh, well, we're going to run a childcare centre and we're going to do this, this and this. But unless you really dig in and understand the needs of the kids and understand the needs of the parents, understand the needs of the local businesses, you're going to probably create a project that's a little misguided. So this process will help you to articulate and understand exactly the nature of your community so that when you're crafting your ideas, you know exactly who it's for. So that you don't buy a squishy toy for a 14-year-old, okay? Making sure that you create a project that fits within the community so there are enough drivers for it to actually be sustainable, but also that it's well designed to meet the needs of the project. So I'm going to introduce you to the asset-based approach to community development, and this approach will really step you through this process, and I hope you find it useful. Thanks.